We're counting down 20 of the most surprising facts about the deep ocean, and you won't believe the mind-blowing revelation we've saved for number 1. 20 facts, counting down, and wait until you hear number 1. Number 20. The deep ocean covers more than 60% of the Earth's surface and is home to mountain ranges taller than the Himalayas. These seamounts create isolated habitats that support unique species found nowhere else on the planet. Number 19. Sunlight penetrates a mere 650 feet into the ocean, so the remaining 90% of its volume is cloaked in complete, perpetual darkness. This makes the deep sea the largest unexplored habitat on our planet by a huge margin. Number 18. Pressure at the bottom of the Mariana Trench equals 8 tons on every square inch, or roughly the weight of 50 jumbo jets. Any creature living there must have special adaptations, since this force would crush a human in seconds without protection. Number 17. Hydrothermal vents discovered back in 1977 can heat surrounding water to 750 degrees Fahrenheit while supporting life in total darkness. The super-hot mineral-rich fluid creates chimneys that grow up to 100 feet tall over time. Number 16. Giant tube worms near vents grow over 8 feet long despite having no mouth or gut to digest their own food. They host bacteria in their bodies that turn vent chemicals into nutrition for the worm host. Number 15. 90% of animals living in the deep ocean are bioluminescent, using their own light to hunt, attract mates, or escape danger. From eerie glowing lures to flashing signals, these lights create a living constellation in the otherwise inky black waters. Number 14. Giant squid have the largest eyes of any animal, reaching diameters of 11 inches to better detect prey and predators in the deep. Their eyes are the size of dinner plates, allowing them to see bioluminescent flashes from far away in the darkness. Number 13. The world's largest waterfall is actually underwater in the Denmark Strait, where cold water plunges 1,500 feet with massive force every second. It moves 175 million cubic feet of water per second due to density differences between ocean currents. Number 12. Deep-sea anglerfish males bite into females and fuse their bodies together, living as parasites for the female's entire life. This extreme mating method ensures the male is always available to fertilize eggs in the sparsely populated deep sea. Number 11. The vampire squid from hell releases clouds of sticky bioluminescent mucus to deter predators when it feels threatened in the deep sea. It also has the ability to flip its webbed arms inside out to appear even more intimidating to enemies. Number 10. Brine pools on the ocean floor are so dense that they form lakes with visible shores complete with rivers flowing into them. The extreme salt content is deadly to most sea life, but certain bacteria and mussels have adapted to live there. Number 9. A plastic bag was discovered at the bottom of the Mariana Trench at a depth of 36,000 feet along with other human trash. This proves that our pollution has reached the most remote and extreme environment on the entire planet. Number 8. Abyssal plains cover nearly 40% of the ocean floor as flat, featureless expanses of mud stretching for hundreds of miles. Despite their barren appearance, these plains are bustling with sea cucumbers, brittle stars, and various worms that process the sediment. Number 7. Ocean quahogs are clams living in the deep that can live for over 500 years, with one specimen reaching 507 years old. Their slow growth and longevity allow researchers to study past ocean conditions from hundreds of years ago. Number 6. There are over 3,000 active and dormant underwater volcanoes in the deep ocean, many of which remain completely unmapped by scientists. These volcanoes create new islands over time and support rich ecosystems around their nutrient-rich slopes. Number 5. The gulper eel can open its mouth wide enough to swallow fish much larger than its own body thanks to a loosely hinged jaw. Its stomach can expand to accommodate these oversized meals in an environment where food opportunities are incredibly rare. Number 4. Chemosynthesis allows entire ecosystems to thrive around deep sea vents by using chemicals instead of sunlight to produce energy for life. This process was unknown before the 1970s and changed our ideas about the requirements for supporting life. Number 3. Dumbo octopuses live as deep as 23,000 feet and use their ear-like fins to swim around the seafloor in search of food. They look like the cartoon elephant, but are tough survivors of the cold, high-pressure, deep ocean environment. Number 2. Siphonophores are colonies of specialized animals that can grow to lengths of 160 feet, making them longer than any other creature on Earth. Each individual in the colony has a specific job like hunting, feeding, or reproduction for the whole group. Number 1. Only 20 people have ever reached the bottom of the Mariana Trench, whereas over 600 humans have traveled into outer space. Exploring the deep ocean remains far more difficult and dangerous than space travel, despite being on our own planet. Which one got you? Comment the number below and subscribe. There's a new list every day.